Hello, friends. Good morning. Welcome to Gold, Silver, and Macro Discussion with SD. मैं हूं SD Shanand Das, multi-asset trading and investment specialist. So let me first take you to my website, that is shanandodash.com. जहां पे जाके you can check out my social footprints, like which social media पे I'm available. Like I'm available in YouTube. I'm available on X. I'm available via WhatsApp channel as well. And in my YouTube channel, you can check out various types of videos under my playlist. In X also, which is owned by Elon Musk, this is my profile in X. In different social media pay, I try to update what I think of the market. Not necessarily all updates go in all social media. This is my WhatsApp channel, multi-asset trading with SD. आप वहां पर भी मुझे फॉलो कर सकते. Now let me now go back to the market discussion, and I want to talk about first the macro. थोड़ा macro part पे discuss करना चाहेंगे. गोल्ड एक extraordinary run दे रहा है. It is giving out a run. I think one of the influencing factor जो हुआ है गोल्ड के लिए, that has been the interest rates. जैसे जैसे यूएस का level of interest rates going up, that has been a significant factor for gold. As interest rates going up, let's take a quick look. एक बार इंटरेस्ट रेट्स के मार्केट पे चलते हैं. लेट्स लुक एट द 10-year इंटरेस्ट रेट्स. And one of the factor lately that has been influencing gold is the interest rates. As the interest rates have been moving higher or threatening to move higher, that would basically mean that more money printing needs to be printed by the US to pay off future debt. Future debt को pay off करने के लिए और भी डॉलर प्रिंट करना पड़ेगा. And as geopolitical tension going up, some of the global foreign exchange reserve transfer हो रहा है from different government asset class, that is the bonds, to this hard money, that is the gold. So ये one of the factor है जो fundamentally gold को fuel कर रहा है कि diversification of the assets. But one bad thing about gold is that it does not pay any kind of interest rate or any kind of creates income. Though there has been a lease rate, एक lease rate है, but वो general public के नहीं. Whereas India का sovereign gold bond एक बढ़िया instrument जो अब continue नहीं हो रहा है, our government not continuing. It was a interest bearing instrument linked to gold. So right now, as if interest rates go up, I think gold can see some add-on fuel, but without the interest rate also, gold looks very much bullish. बहुत ही bullish because geopolitical tension है. Though if Russia Ukraine get to a peace, that is can be considered as negative for gold. And also एक चीज बोलना होगा कि President Trump and his team is actually looking at the problem कि US का debt बहुत ज्यादा हो चुका है. तो Elon Musk का Department of Government Efficiency along with President Trump's support is basically trying to find fraud and abuse, which is nothing but spending cut. So spending cuts and has historically not so great time for gold because it will bring down the inflation. So once the interest rate starts coming down and more other asset class, especially the equity starts to do well, gold can see headwinds in future, fundamental wise. But the current fundamental diversification away from US assets, US foreign exchange reserve and other, not just US as well as Europe, has created this distortion into this hard money. Plus, it is also true there is less physical gold than there is digital gold. So, our physical gold demand is also keeping things on the upside. So gold का rally हम लोग note किए थे first on the 12th of March that things are changing and more on 13th. तब से steadily continuously for the past 6 trading days gold has been moving higher and overall I remain bullish. मैं overall bullish हूँ. Let me change the probability meter to top and center for now. And this meter has now arrived. It was basically block कर रहा था इसको. It was blocking the commodity meter को. तो इसको हटा देने से ही commodity meter is back. So overall gold में I can see steady up move. Silver, I am bullish. I remain very much bullish in silver now. The latest comeback जो हुआ है $29 to $30 crossing. I have been bullish in silver and I remain bullish in silver. Silver अगर हम लोग नॉर्मल लाइन चार्ट देखेंगे, आप देख सकते हैं silver is in a monthly breakout. So I remain very much bullish on silver. Over the say course of next 6-7 months, as long as this monthly trend is going, Dow theory, I remain. This has been a double bottom at this previous breakout level. तो ये जो सिल्वर का $35 लेवल है, मेन जो रेजिस्टेंस, मैं एक्सपेक्ट करता हूं ये क्लियर अप होगा एंड सिल्वर विल नाउ हेड बिकम मोर बुलिश एंड विल बी रीचिंग टुवर्ड्स दिस 42-44 लेवल. सिल्वर भी एक हार्ड मनी है गोल्ड की तरह, बट गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर में सिग्निफिकेंट डिफरेंस है कि गोल्ड इज मोर इंडेस्ट्रक्टिबल वेल सिल्वर reacts with sulfur, becomes silver sulfide, so it has a destruction, where gold is almost non-reactive and it has a higher shelf value. It has bigger acceptance among central bank balance sheets. But silver looks also quite significantly bullish at this point. So इसको मैं ETF के जरिए खेलना पसंद करूंगा. सिल्वर का ये जो bullishness which is also visible via the fountain of gold setup and it is testing a very important level. अगर ये क्रॉस हो पाया, this is the level. If silver can remain floated above this level, a very important level का टेस्ट चल रहा है. If it can remain floated above it, we will see very big rise. If not, silver can come down even lower significantly towards this $26. So बहुत ही एक important psychology level पे silver पहुंच चुका है, as well as technical level पे पहुंच चुका है and breakout can mean a very big rise. So over leverage करके ये रन हम लोग मैं नहीं खा पाऊंगा. So I have divided my exposure between derivatives as well as exchange traded fund. a very beautiful ride can come up in silver. So silver I remain bullish, but इसका pattern ऐसा हो रहा है कि rise, bigger correction and then again rise. So shake offs, loser right weak holder को shake off करके फेंक देना looks like the characteristic of the recent rise. जो भी उतना conviction के साथ hold नहीं कर पाएंगे, market with this bigger correction silver में looks like shake off करके निकाल देगा. So gold silver in the current market context I remain bullish. I am fundamentally more bullish on gold than in silver because what's fueling the rally वो gold को ज्यादा फेवर करता है. Monetary system के साथ gold ज्यादा closely linked है than silver. But I'm broadly bullish on both. But silver, if the break is successful, it will be a very solid upward march. That's what my expectation. But याद रखिएगा हम लोगों का risk management rule number 1 that we do not trade listening to others. If you want आप मेरे साथ जुड़ सकते हो, आप मेरे सेटअप का एक्सेस ले सकते हो, but still आप ही को डिसाइड करना है कि कौन सा ट्रेड आप करेंगे with your as per the plan जो हम लोग का है या प्लान जो मेरा है. मैं अपना प्लान दे देता हूं बट अल्टीमेटली आप लोगों को प्लान बनाना पड़ेगा या तो वो प्लान को फॉलो करके अल्टीमेटली ट्रेड करना पड़ेगा. And without the plan, I do not do any kind of trading. So exits are well planned in gold, silver. Market weakness पे ही मैं largely exit करूंगा. Exit at strength ऐसा कुछ मैं सोच नहीं रहा हूं कि how to exit at the strength for gold, silver. I'm using the daily chart. मैं daily chart को इस्तेमाल कर रहा हूं. International as well as Indian gold mini and different other gold charts like GLD उनको consult कर रहा हूं and करके I'm continuing with this trade. So this is not a recommendation. I started way back. Each time highlight किया था कि ये possibility gold is looking now bullish. So overall, it has been so far a good ride. Let's see how far gold can or will rise. All the best to you, my friends. आने वाले दिन में हो सके थोड़ा कम वीडियो आप लोगों के पास आए. Best wishes from my side. As always, happy trading.